Hello, this is Rex with another Symphony quick tip. In this video, I want to show you how to create a simple saved search using the Advanced Search tab. On the Advanced Search tab, you can select the file cabinet that you want to search in. In this case, I will use accounting, but I could easily choose a different cabinet if I wanted. To start building your search, use the plus symbol on the far right. That will show you all of the fields that you can choose from in your file cabinet. I want to choose document type equals purchase order because I want to see all of the new purchase orders. I'm going to click on plus again. This time I'm going to choose status and new. Now I'm going to click on the preview button and there we go. Now we have document type purchase order and status of new. I want to go a step further and let's add a sort field and let's use vendor name and set it to ascending. Now when I preview, all of the vendor names are listed in alphabetical order. Let's go ahead and save the search. I'm going to call it new purchase orders. And anytime I want to use the search, all I have to do from my search tab is click the settings button, choose save searches, and select my search. And there you have it. We've created a very simple saved search that we can use over and over and uses the basis of a more complex search when we're ready.